Okay, so next thing that I have here is I am asked to write a rule, an equation that matches the graph below. So let's look at some of the details of this graph. One of the things we notice is that I see a slope triangle. It has this up 1 over 4 pattern. So my slope, I can write down, is equal to 1/4. I can also see that I've got an xy ordered pair. I know that 5 comma 6 is on the graph, and there's an x and a y. Um, if I'm going to write the equation of this line in slope-intercept form, I need to know what this y-intercept is, and it definitely is not hitting an integer value there. Because if I was to follow this pattern and go up 1 and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, it lands right here. So I need to figure out exactly where this is crossing the y-axis. And it's not difficult to do that. We're just going to start with the assumption, well, I can see visually that this is a line. So I write y equals mx plus b. My y value that I was given was 6 from the point. My slope I read from the slope triangle is 1/4. And I've got an x of 5. And then I'm just adding b to that. If I simplify this a bit, I've got 6 equals 5/4 plus b. I can take away 5/4 from each side. So 6 minus 5/4 is my y-intercept. I'm going to multiply this number 6 by 4 over 4. Again, this is a giant 1. Not being used to simplify it, but pump it up with an extra factor of 4 so that I can match the factor of 4 I have in this denominator. So 4 times 6 is 24. So 24/4 is, of course, the number 6 minus 5/4 is my y-intercept. And when I do that subtraction, right, 25 minus 5, 24 rather, minus 5 is 19. So my y-intercept b is 19/4. And hey, that's perfect. Leave it there. Don't do anything else. Don't worry about it. It's 19/4. 19's prime. You can't. There's no giant ones there to simplify. So my answer ends up being y equals the slope I found from the slope triangle 1/4 times x, and then adding to that 19/4. So this is the equation of my line y equals 1/4 x plus 19/4.